Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add a microphone to OBS Studio. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the little plus sign underneath the sources field, and then where it says audio input capture, go ahead and select that. Now you can create whatever you want for the name of it, but just make sure that you have create new, and then select OK. And now at this point, make sure your microphone is turned on and plugged into your computer if there's a USB connection. And then you just select it from the list here and select OK. And then it should appear down on the mic list and you'll see the audio bar moving up and down indicating that it is detected on your system, assuming it is, of course. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And if you have multiple input devices, you could toggle between them by selecting this little device drop down here. You could select a different one from the list if you wanted to toggle between them. But pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.